Hi friend, welcome all of you. Friend, right now I am going towards my college. And friend, first of all, I want to tell you I am in Wadia College of Pune. And friend, I am from mechanical engineer. But friend, I want to learn programming. Until now, I don't have any skill about programming. And henceforth, I want to do job in IT sector. And that's why friend, I was too much confusing about coding. I was thinking it's too much hard. But friend, after I took a review from those students are already placed, I had some contact, and they told me if you have interest, if you will practice too much, it will be easy for you because it's only have language. There is some command. We have to do computer in that format. Our logic will be same. Only there will be some condition and it will be computer based. That condition we have to learn, and that time it will be easy. But for, most of time what happen, if we see any code, it will be huge. We can't understand it, and if you try it sometimes, we get a too much error. That's why we lose confidence. Same things happen with me in first year. In I had a Python. It's a language, and I back it. Means I didn't clear it in first year because it was too much hard for me. Because I was reading it only. I didn't practice because I had not laptop and I don't have idea I can run Python in mobile. I want to tell you, you can run Python in your mobile also. There is Pyroid apps. You can download it and you can do coding in it. Because friend, only through theory you can't learn programming. Because for most of students made this mistake, they start to read programming, they start to read books, but friend, you have to practice too much coding. Then after, when you will get stuck anywhere, and after reading that stuff coding, you will get idea where which things you have to do, what is to take it, but your practice is the most important. And friend, like this you have to practice. And today also in until evening I will practice in my college. I downloaded one playlist from YouTube. I will watch it, and on that basis I will do code. I will complete my course within 1 month. Because friend, next 1 month I have holidays for college gave us holidays for preparation. And in this holiday I will learn Python very deeply. I decided myself. Even also I will, at the ending of I will make some project on that basis. Finally I came in my college, and now I am going to start my course. Those playlist I'll download, and I made this book to write some coding information. And same after doing one by one lecture, I practice in my mobile, run that code, and little bit confidence I am getting right now. And friend, at the evening time I will tell you in today's lesson what I learned. Everything I will share with you. And friend, if you want to learn any programming language, you should also start like this. Okay friend, right now I am going to doing it. Thank you. And friend, I did maximum lecture of programming, and I understood because there was a nice place list. That teacher is good. Now I am feeling, that's why I came out of my college, and I will take tea and I will implement. And hi friend, finally I completed my today's work. Those I promised at the morning time. At the beginning 7 to 8 lecture I listen, and I note some points in this notebook. and I will revise it when I will go to room. And same like this friend, you can start your journey to learn programming. You don't need to join any coaching. Nowadays in online platform there is number of source is available to learn. 100% friend, follow any channel and try to learn any programming language. Maybe you should go first for Python. It will easy for you. And friend, if you like this video, please subscribe, because friend, next video notification you will get. Thank you so much.